Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Continue to logarithm. Today I'll solve some important questions from logarithm. So let's start. Find the number of solutions of the equations x to the minus 1 by 2 log x base 1 by 2 equal to x. So number of solutions we want. So using graph, we'll solve this. So now log x base 1 by 2 equal to x to the power 1 by 2, that is root x, implies that log x base 0.5 equal to root x. How to draw a graph? To draw the graph, let us take the LHS side y, the RHS side also y. So solve this in one graph. These two functions in one graph, y-axis, now x-axis. Okay, this is x dash and here y dash. So log x base 0.5, log x base 0.5 graph is like this. Okay, this is a decreasing graph. This is the decreasing graph, and when x tends to 0, the graph will go to infinity. The upper side of y, that is infinitive side. Okay, and when x tends to infinity towards right, the graph goes to minus infinity, is the downside. Now this graph is log x base 0.5. Log x base 0.5. Now what is root x graph? Root x graph is like this. What is root x graph? Root x graph is this. Root x is the positive value. If it is positive value, the graph is like this. This is the graph of root x. So number of solutions means the point of intersection of y equal to root x and y equal to log x base 0.5. So solution is only the intersecting point is 1. So this is the solution. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. So now come to next question. Next question is, find the number of solutions of the equations x square minus 4x plus 3 minus log x is 2 equal to 0. So also by using graph we solve this. X square minus 4x plus 3 equal to log x base 2. So now how to solve it? So draw y-axis, x-axis, this is origin, this is x-axis, this is y dash, x dash. Now x square minus 4x plus 3, x square minus 4x plus 3, x square minus 4x plus 3, write it as 0. Then this is the upward parabola, if x square, फर्स्ट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को y ले लो और राइट हैंड साइड को भी y ले लो. सो दो ग्राफ होते हैं, y इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 3, इसके लिए भी ड्रॉ करेंगे, और y इक्वल टू log x प्लस 2, इसके लिए भी ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे और दोनों का इंटरसेक्ट पॉइंट को चेक करेंगे. सो नाउ x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 3 को अगर 0 करते हैं तो x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस x प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 0. सो x इंटू एक्स माइनस 3 माइनस 1 इंटू एक्स माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0. So x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 और 3. So 1 और 3 ऐसे दो पॉइंट है, 1 और 3. तो इस दोनों पॉइंट पे ये ग्राफ जो है ये अपवर्ड पैराबोला बन जाएगा. तो अपवर्ड पैराबोला will be like this. Upward parabola is like this and roots are 1 and 3. So ये हो गया ग्राफ ऑफ x square minus 4x plus 3 का. So log x base 2 का ग्राफ किस तरह बनेगा? Log x base 2. Log x base 2 is the increasing graph like this. अब देख सकते हो ये ग्राफ और ये ग्राफ का इंटरसेक्टेड पॉइंट एक तो यहाँ हो जाएगा दिस पॉइंट और एक पॉइंट यहाँ हो जाएगा. सो नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस इज, आंसर इज व्हाट? आंसर इज 2. नेक्स्ट, कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay. Okay. Next question. Find the number of solutions of the equations or find the number of roots. Same thing. Find the number of roots of the equation. So number of roots, x cube equal to log x base 0.5. Okay, take this log x base 0.5 to right hand side and draw the graph. X axis, y axis. This is y axis and this is x axis. X axis and y, and this is y dash, x dash. So how to draw the graph? X cube का graph किस तरह बनेगा? X cube का graph, you know, like this. This graph is for y equal to x cube. अब इसे y ले लो और इसे भी y ले लो and draw the graph. So this is y equal to x cube and log x 0.5 का graph किस तरह बनेगा? This is the decreasing graph like this, and the intersecting point is 1. So answer is only one solution, because the intersection point of these two graph is the solution of this total equation. So now come to next question. Okay. Find the number of solution of the equation of the solution to equations log x plus 5 base 2 equal to 6 minus x. अब इस क्वेश्चन में हम सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, सो log x plus 5 base 2. So log x plus 5 base 2 is equal to 6 minus x. So x plus 5 equal to 2 to the power 6 minus x. So now draw this graph and find the number of intersections. Those number of intersections are the number of roots or number of solutions. So now x plus 5 का ग्राफ तो आराम से बन जाएगा. 2 to the power 6 minus x का ग्राफ देखेंगे. So 2 to the power 6 minus x का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे. So 2 to the power x का ग्राफ, अच्छा 2 to the power 6 minus x को हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, 2 to the power minus कॉमन, 2 to the power x minus 6 minus of x minus 6. So इसके लिए फर्स्ट 2 to the power minus 6 का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे. फर्स्ट यू ड्रॉ 2 to the power x का ग्राफ. दिस इज 2 to the power x का ग्राफ. तो 2 to the power minus 6 का ग्राफ किस तरह होगा? 2 to the power minus 6 के ग्राफ के लिए जो भी ग्राफ 2 to the power x का है, जब x के जगह पर माइनस x ट्रांसपोजिशन किया जाएगा तो क्या किया जाता है? वो जो ग्राफ है y एक्सिस को मिरर सोच के इमेज को पलट देंगे. सो नाउ द ग्राफ विल बी लाइक दिस. This is the graph for 2 to the power minus x graph. अब हमें चाहिए 2 to the power minus x minus 6. अब x के जगह पर अगर रिप्लेस करेंगे x minus 6 को तो ग्राफ कैसे होगा? तो मॉड ऑफ माइनस 6 मतलब क्या? 6 शिफ्ट कर लेंगे टुवर्ड्स राइट. तो यही वाला जो ग्राफ है इसी को ही शिफ्ट करेंगे टुवर्ड्स राइट. सो draw the graph. This is y axis and this is x axis. Okay, this is y axis, y dash, x dash. So now 2 to the power minus x minus 6 means this one is equal to y and this one also equal to y. ये दोनों का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. तो 2 to the 6 minus 6 का ग्राफ हम पहले ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. अब 2 to the power minus x minus 6 to the minus 6 का ग्राफ तो ड्रॉ कर चुके हैं, ऐसा दिख रहा है. और ये वाला पॉइंट को क्या कहेंगे? ये वाला पॉइंट को कहेंगे 0, 1. ये भी 0.1 ही था, 0.1, बट अब शिफ्ट करेंगे 6 मतलब कहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे, ये 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 में 1 2 3 4 5 6। अब यही वाला जो ग्राफ है, ये 6 पॉइंट पे, 6 के ऊपर में जो पॉइंट था, इस जगह पे इसको क्या कहेंगे 6,1, ये पॉइंट है 6,1, इस 6,1 पे ये वाला ग्राफ जो है ये आ जाएगा। The same was shifted to mod of -6 towards the right. Okay, so towards right shift कर दिया, तो ये बन गया 2 to the power माइनस ऑफ x-6 या 616 का ग्राफ। अब देखेंगे y इक्वल x प्लस 5 का ग्राफ। अब y इक्वल x प्लस 5 का ग्राफ तो बहुत ही आसान है, जस्ट 2 पॉइंट लेके हम कंफर्म हो जाएंगे। x का वैल्यू अगर लेंगे 0 देन y विल बी 5, इफ y वैल्यू 0 देन x इज -5। तो एक पॉइंट हो गया -5,0 और एक पॉइंट हो गया 0,5। तो बस यही दोनों पॉइंट लेके हम लोग x y प्लस प्लस 5 का ग्राफ को कंफर्म कर लेंगे। सो -50 कहाँ पे होगा, -50 यहाँ कहीं पे होगा -50। दिस पॉइंट इज -5,0, दिस पॉइंट इज -5,0। अब हमें चाहिए 0,5, 0,5 कहाँ पे होगा, 0,5 यहाँ पे कहीं पे 0,5 होगा। तो अब इसे जब ज्वाइन करेंगे, ओके, इस दोनों को ज्वाइन कर देते हैं। ज्वाइन करने के बाद बन गया स्ट्रेट लाइन, एंड दिस स्ट्रेट लाइन इज कॉल्ड y इक्वल x प्लस 5, y इक्वल टू x प्लस 5। अब ये स्ट्रेट लाइन और एक ग्राफ के बीच में सिर्फ एक ही इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट है, एंड दैट पॉइंट इज द सॉल्यूशन पॉइंट, दिस वन द सॉल्यूशन पॉइंट। सो आंसर इज only one is the answer, the number of solution is 1. So now guys, come to next question. In this question you can say find the value of log base 3 fourth root of 729 cube root of 9 to the minus 1 into 27 to the minus 4 by 3. So log base 1 by 3 fourth root of 729 means 3 to the power 6, because 3 to the power 4 is 81 and 3 to the power 5 is 243 and 3 to the 6 is 243 into 3, 243 into 3, 3 to the 9 to 7, 729. Okay, so this is 3 to the 6 and this is the cube root of 9 to the power minus 1. 9 means 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power minus 1, and then 27 is 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3 to the power minus 4 by 3. Okay, now guys, log 1 by 3 fourth root of 3 to the power 6 cube root of 3 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power minus 4, because 3 cancel, multiplied, then 3 to the power, this is minus 6. So log base 1 by 3 fourth root of 3 to the 6 3 to the cube root of 3 to the power minus 6, that is equal to log 1 by 3 fourth root 3 to the power 6. अब ये 3 to the power minus 6, 3 to the power minus 6 cube root means what, 3 to the power minus 6 to the power 1 by 3, 3, this is minus 2, so 3 to the power minus 2, this is into 3 to the power minus 2 equal to log base 1 by 3 fourth root of 3 to the power 6 minus 2 is 4, so 3 to the 4 to the power fourth root means 1 by 4, that is 3, so equal to log 1 by 3 base, and this is 3. Next step is equal to log 1 by 3 means 3 to the power minus 1, that is 3. So 1 by minus 1 into log 3 base 3, because we know this formula I will discuss again, log x base y to the power b is equal to what? 1 by b into log x base y. So this formula here we have applied. Log 3 base 3 is 1. So answer is -1. This question completed. Now come to next question. Solve for x. Log base 4, log base 3, and log base x equal to 0. Equal implies that log base 4 को अगर हटाएंगे तो क्या रहेगा? log base 3 log base 2 x equal to 4 to the power 0. क्योंकि हमें ये पता है कि log का बेस में जो है, अब इसे मान लो कि a, तो 4 to the power 0 equal to a. So in this way we have written this, that is equal to 1. So फिर वैसे ही 3 to the power 1 log x base 2 equal to 3 to the power 1, that is 3, implies that x equal to 2 to the power 3, that is 8. फिर 8 2 to the power 3 equal to x हो जाएगा. So x answer is 8. So we have solved this question. So come to next question. Value of log 0.08. So log base 0.2 0.008 equal to, let us take x. So 0.2 to the power x equal to 0.008. So this is 0.2 to the power 3, because 2 to the 3 is 8. 8 divided by 1000, so 2 by 10 to the power 3. So that is 0.2 to the power 3. So 0.2 to the power 3, so x equal to 3. Answer completed. So now come to next question. Next question is, find the value of 0.4 to the power minus log base 2.5 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square, like this. So 0.4 to the power minus log base 2.5, which is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square. This is the formula for a plus ar square up to infinitum. This is GP formula. So a divided by 1 minus r. Formula is a divided by 1 minus r. So a means 1 by 3 by 1 minus r means also 1 by 3. A means the first term and r means the second term divided by first term. 1 by 3 square divided by 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3. So solve next 0.4. 0.4 to the power minus log 2.5 and numerator 1 by 3 and denominator 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. 2 by 3, so 3 cancel, 1 by 2. 0.4 means what? 0.4 means 4 by 10. 4 by 10 means 2 by 5. 2 by 5 to the power minus log base 5 by 2, and here this is 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 5 2 by 5, we can write this 5 by 2 to the power minus 1. 2 by 5, ये जो 2 by 5 है उसे हम लोग किस तरह से लिख सकते हैं? 2 by 5 को हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 5 by 2 का पावर minus 1, 1 by 5 by 2, that is 2 by 5. So 5 by 2 to the power minus 1 into minus 1, फिर log base 5 by 2 into 1 by 2. So now next step is 5 by 2 minus 1 is plus. So 5 by 2 log 5 by 2 power log base 5 by 2, 1 by 2. So we know a to the power log base ax equal to what? X. So here answer will be 1 by 2. So answer completed. So next, come to next question. Okay, find the value of 0.05 log base root 20 of 0.3 bar. So now we have to find out the value of 0.05 to the power log base root 20 lambda. Let us take lambda equal to 0.3 bar. means 0.333. So 10 lambda is equal to what? Just write it in decimal form. 3.333 infinite times. So 10 lambda minus lambda equal to 3.3 bar minus 0.3 bar. This is 3.3 bar and this is 0.3 bar. So now 9 lambda equal to 3 implies that lambda equal to 3 by 9 means 1 by 3. So now in place of lambda we can replace 0.05 to the power log 20 to the power 1 by 2 and in place of lambda we can write 1 by 3. In place of lambda we can write 1 by 3 and this is 20 to the power 1 by 2. Now what we'll do, 0.05 means 5 by 100. 0.05 means 5 by 100. 5 by 100 means 1 by 20. So 0.05 means 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 means 20 to the power minus 1. So this is 20 to the power. This is 20 to the power minus 1. And here log is there. And base 20 to the power 1 by 2. And here 2 to the power minus 1. Sorry. Lambda value is 1 by 3. This is 3 to the power. This is 3 to the power minus 1. So now what can be done? So now this formula will apply log a to the power b m to the power n equal to n by b log m base a. This formula you can apply here. So 20 to the power minus 1, okay, put it there, and log base 23, but a minus 1 divided by 1 by 2. Because this is a to the power b. A, this is b, this is m, this is n. So n by b means minus 1 by 1 by 2. Here written log 3 base 20. So 20 to the power minus 1 and minus 1 by 1 by 2 is minus 2, minus 2. So log 3 base 20, write it as it is. This is log 3 base 20. Implies that 20 to the power 2 log base 23. अब ये 2 को अगर हटा दो और इस पावर में ले आओ तो 22 को log base 20 तो 3 square. Answer is 3 square means that is 9 because a to the power log base a x equal to x. So 20 to the power फिर log base 20 वो कट जाएगा just 3 square. So 9. So now guys come to next question. How to find minimum value of lambda 1 log x base a plus lambda 2 log a base x or x greater than 0, x greater than 0, a not equal to 1, x not equal to 1, all these things. So now lambda 1 log x base a और log a base x में क्या difference हो रहा है? Log x base a or log a base x. These are reciprocal to each other, you know, because the multiplication is 1. क्योंकि log x base a जो होता है वो log x by log a होता है and log a base x जो log a by log x है सब कट जाएगा तो 1. So जब दो नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन या दो नंबर रेसिप्रोकल नेचर का रहेगा तब हम लोग एरिथमेटिक मीन ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू ज्योमेट्रिक मीन वाला रूल अप्लाई करें. So arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean. So for two numbers lambda 1 log x base a, so lambda 1 log x base a plus lambda 2 log x base a divided by 2. This arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean is square root of lambda 1 log x base a into lambda 2 log a base x. Okay, so implies that in left hand side lambda 1 log x base a, right, and lambda 2 log x base a and here log a base x. Okay, log a base x. So first number is lambda 1 log x base a written here, lambda 2 log a base x. Okay, here also log x base a log a base x. Okay, so lambda log x base a plus lambda 2 log a base x is greater than equal to जो लेफ्ट हैंड में जो डिवाइड में 2 था वो लाके राइट में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा 2 and root over lambda 1 lambda 2 हो जाएगा because log x base a into log a base x equal to 1 just हम लोगों ने देखा है. So minimum value is 2 into root over lambda 1 lambda 2 where log x base a और log a base x opposite nature का रहेगा. Means multiplication is 1. So now find the least value of the expression 2 log x base 10. 2 log x base 10 minus log base x 0.01 को थोड़ा सॉल्व करने की जरूरत है. 0.01 is what? 1 by 0.01. 0.01 is 1 by 100 means 1 by 100 means 1 by 10 square means 10 to the power minus 2. So 10 to the power minus 2 equal to 2 log x base 10 minus this minus to come to left because log x to the power a is equal to a log x. चाहे बेस में कुछ भी रहे y है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. So जो पावर वो लेफ्ट में आ जाएगा. So this formula here applied. So minus 2 log 10 base x. So equal to 2 common log x base 10 because minus into minus 2 that's plus 2 log x log 10 base x. So log 10 base x और हमें तो पता ही है 2 into log x base a plus log a base x का क्या रूल होता है 2 root over lambda 1 into lambda 2. Here lambda 1 is 1, lambda 2 is also 1. जो log x इसका कोएफिशिएंट क्या है 1 है, इसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 है तो 1 into 1 so 4. So minimum value find the least value is 4. So greater than equal to 4. So answer will be greater than equal to 4. तो इसे कहाँ लिखें? यहाँ पे लिखेंगे greater than equal to 4. So greater than equal to 4 क्यों 2 into इधर 2 पहले से ही था और ये 2 root over lambda और lambda 2 इसके चलते ये greater than equal to हो गया. So now come to next question. Which is smaller 2 और log 2 base pi log pi base 2. अब क्लियरली पता चला इसी को सॉल्व करना है हमें. ये दोनों ऑपोजिट नेचर का है. log 2 base pi plus log pi base 2 तो ये तो हो जाएगा greater than equal to twice root over lambda 1 lambda 2 but lambda 1 lambda 2 is 1 into 1 because यहाँ भी 1 है और यहाँ भी 1 है तो 2 greater than equal to 2. So ये जो वैल्यू है वो तो greater than equal to 2 है बट ये वैल्यू जो है ये तो equal to 2 है तो कौन सा वैल्यू ग्रेटर हुआ? द सेकंड वैल्यू ग्रेटर हुआ. सो log 2 base pi plus log pi base 2 is greater than equal to 2. So the second one is greater. Second one is greater than first one. So completed. So thank you for watching my video.